Welcome back, cruisers, to Prescribed Adventures. Here we are today on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship, Star of the Seas, and we're going to give you a tour of the AquaDome area. I'm going to start to the left, swing around, and here is the AquaTheater. Show you a little footage of that. Amazing show. And as we start down the left hand side, we have Hooked, specialty dining restaurant, which is an extra charge. Seafood with the name Hooked, pretty obvious. Here's where you can get your surf and turf at an additional charge. And as we come around, here we are at the Overlook. And this is the quiet area. And let's get a quick morning. Sorry. Quick look of Icon of the Seas pulling in. There's Icon backing in. So here's where you're going to come, read a book, relax. 270-degree views of the ship. And if you want some real secluity, I don't know, whatever the word is, you can come up on one of these Overlook pods. Have a seat right here, and you can let's give you the view from inside the pod here. Once again, watching Icon come on and just dock next to us at Coco Cay. But yes, here give you a great look of the AquaDome, of what's called the Overlook. Once again, 270 degrees. Glass panels where you can see the second biggest cruise ship in the world docking next to the largest cruise ship in the world. Okay, we're going to head back down. And here you have your Overlook bar. Once again, plenty of seating, plenty of amazing views. The way they have spaced out all of these different neighborhoods on Star of the Seas and Icon of the Seas. Give you another view of Icon as she backs in, and we'll be side by side at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Okay. As we continue, you can see in the distance the sun coming up. Don't know how well you can see it. As we continue on, I'll show you a little bit of these LCD on the wall here behind the AquaDome, and those will change throughout the day. So just to show you how far the sight line goes here. Once again, Sun coming up in the distance. Icon of the seas pulling in. And there you go. Okay, we're gonna head back up. And here we have the Rye and Bean coffee bar. Coffee themed alcoholic drinks. They do have regular drinks, as you can see, but they also have alcohol induced, such as your espresso martinis. And then we have the AquaDome Marketplace. Like your food court inspired. So there you have your included beverages of juices and coffees. And I do have this on the boarding day video, so I'm just gonna have to splice that in there. But here you have your crepes, your Thai food, your barbecue food, the feta Mediterranean, and la cocinita. And last but not least, we have the Royal Bling. If you're die-hard Royal Caribbean, beyond loyal to Royal, you want some charms, some bracelets, or if you'd like a $100,000 shallot, not shallot, and if you'd like a $100,000 cup that gives you a lifetime drink package, this is where you're gonna come get it. Or you could just come here and get a royalty picture. So there you have it, folks. Once again, we are on board. Morning.
Please you. Thank you.
Once again, we see Bob. Bob is working non-stop. Hi, Bob.
Task paused. Going home automatically.
Uh-oh. I think Bob's running out of gas. So we'll let Bob be. That was your tour of the AquaDome. Say hello to Bob one more time. Oh, you can hear Bob one more time, I should say. There he is. Say hi, Bob. So that was your tour of the AquaDome here on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest ship, Star of the Seas. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and check out all our content on Star of the Seas. Thanks for watching. Bye.